Good morning, guys. I am on my way to meet my friend Doreen. Look at my star sign. We're going to Brixton, so I'll take you along with me. Let's go. So today we are going to Brixton with Doreen. Whee! Ah! That was quick. So hi to Doreen. Doreen, hi to Doreen. Which oh, this way. They even know where we're going. Welcome to Brixton, everybody. It's Brixton. Welcome to Brixton. I've been tricked today. Noreen told me that we're going to a food market. Where's the food market? I think we're tourists.
And I came to the Brixton village is around there.
Brixton village. So we're in Brixton. Brixton Community Law Centre. We going to let's go that way. So we're going. We're moving. We are in Brixton. Oh, there it is. So we're in Brixton, everyone. I've been to Brixton for a while. What does it need the time? So we're in Brixton right now. We haven't got a clue where we're going. There's a lot of people walking towards somewhere, and we are following them. She's following them, and I am following her. So, actually, by the way, do you see how long her hair is? Her hair is very long. So over there you have a retail park. There must be something. Actually, yeah, steps. We're getting steps in as well. Like, I only did 10,000 steps yesterday. Let's see where these people are going. They're going home. Maybe they're going home. And we're just following them. Oh God, I can't laugh anymore. No, I just follow them, man. Gonna get married. Going to the chapel. Why am I walking so slow? It's Brixton. See? I literally doesn't know where I am. All I know is I'm following the crowd. Well, there is buses. People are turning off in their road to where they're going. But we're there's a Sainsbury's. Hallelujah. Again, we are in Brixton.
You can go there.
I'm going under the tree, so I'm covering my nose because of the pollen. Oh, it's another town down here. The sun's lovely. I don't know, it's a festival? I think so. Everyone stop here. Efra Road. Who's that? Alright. Well, there's barriers here, and there's police down there, and people are walking towards. So let's see what's going on with this barrier. It's a tea. You don't have to see the front.
Okay, finish hugging now. Alright, time's up. Pause. Yeah, what's the... It's okay, I don't need to hug
They
the
say
tree.
you must hug the trees.
Yeah, I'm hugging myself. Unless when it goes to Borough Market. You've been there already anyway.
Been there. Do you want to go? We can go. So what's up? Yeah.
Good still. I'm like,
But are they nice?
3 for £5. That's the
You want to go with them? Jamaican Patties. What's up, everyone? So on Sunday we went to the market and we went into Brixton. I've been in this Jamaican restaurant for about 50 million times just because I want some real authentic Jamaican patties, and it does the trick. I went in there, got myself a chicken and meatloaf patty, and I said to myself, my daughter's at home, so I'm going to get one for her as well. So I bought 2 beef patty, and I'm telling you, the cocoa bread and the patty, oh my gosh, I couldn't help myself. I just tucked right in. There you go. There was a drink I had. It's a lemon and ginger drink. And look at me in the market. I didn't even care. I just want to get my teeth into these patties, and it was so good. If you go to Brixton... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me going back to Borough Market, because first time I went there, I wasn't feeling it. So I went back the second time, and boy, it was amazing. You want to get some cheese? Not even taste it? It looks so big. Oh my gosh. Are we going this way? Let's go this way.
What's the queue for the toilet? Not like £52 a kilo for the cheese.
I know. I was just trying to be smart.
I know you were. But she didn't have anything cut and
Just to taste, yeah. I think this is a cheese market or something today. Fancy some cheese. Amazing. Oh, we got a fruit market as well. £5 for something like a fish or something. Oh, more cheese again, Dory. Ooh. Olives? Ice cream. All different flavor. I feel like it's a cheesy day today. Should we go that way? Oh, you want to go? Which way are we going?
Hi guys, welcome to Borough Market. I've been there before, and the first time I went there I wasn't in person, so I took my girl and said, listen, finish Brixton, let's go to Borough Market. And I wasn't disappointed this time. There was there was lots to see. There was lots of cheese everywhere.
They're crabs, they're moving crabs. Don't worry, I'll free you. I'll free you, my friend. It's so packed. Oh my god.
The wrong side.
Yeah. Are you getting that? What are you fishing? You're gonna be sneezing, son. What's going on in here? What's happening there, Doreen? Another festival.
But the queue goes on forever, so I think we need to.
Oh, it's all the way down? Should we pass over? Oh, we're on the wrong side. What is it? What is it? What's happening? What? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, they were trying to quit for paella or paella or whatever. Oh, they're queuing for here. Oh, this is the queue. I never had this food before. I think I should queue as well. Done it.
Exactly. We're gonna go in.
I want to try it though. Oh my gosh, I want to try it. Strawberries, it's like even Wimbledon. Oh my gosh, and chocolate as well. Look at this big old fish. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, there's strawberry and chocolate. Strawberry and chocolate. Let's go, Doreen. What is going on now? Buy a pack of the Nutella and some chocolate and melt it and pour it over it. That's all you have to do. Oh, finally, I'm out. It's madness in this place. Absolute madness. Oh, we can't get by? What's this in the road? In the thick of it.
So what's the good idea?
Ah! Save yourself. Fish. Save yourself.
What is a good idea?
Save yourself.
Try one of those places.
Save yourself.
Okay, this is a good time.
Oh, that's madness down there.
If you actually go online,
Uh-huh.
Google it. There's no search for this.
So paella rice in Morrison's.
Yeah, and you need to get the seafood. Seafood, chicken, whatever you want to put in there.
Woman, you just... Oh, child, this must be the chill out end. Because that was madness. All I can say is Borough Market on a Sunday is a vibe.